the chief clinical officer of one of these telehealth sites that does prescribe peptides has told me that a lot of the patients that she sees through the company are ones that don't trust the FDA. They look at what they saw as vaccine injury during the COVID pandemic. And that's the reason why they don't trust FDA authorization, FDA approved drugs anymore. And to some extent are turning to alternative care providers and sometimes alternative treatments.
It's not hard to understand why people would be tempted to look for alternative treatments like peptides. But it's important for people to understand the motivations of some of the influencers discussing unregulated products.
Individuals who have either a large following online or are charismatic about how they deliver the information in a way that speaks to your already biased view of what you think you should do, right, are likely to influence you in a great way. When you get down to the level of detail we're talking about here, right, in terms of taking lyophilized dry powder drug and mixing it up and relying on JD 7467 to tell you how you should do that, an individual you don't know who they are or why they're telling you this, I find deeply concerning. It just shows you the level of desperation for some people.
And just as I was finishing up editing this video, Hims and Hers had their Q1 earnings call. On the call, their CEO, Andrew Dudum, indicated that he sees peptides as a key area of growth for the company going forward. Here's what he had to say.
Peptide innovation is expanding very, very rapidly. This is something our team is really paying attention to, that I am paying attention to deeply. And this is across a lot of different areas. It's across pain management. It's across recovery. It's across generalized longevity.